Now let's talk about FX Replay Battles. You can find it over here on the left. And when you come into Battles, I recommend first setting up your profile, add whatever information you want, change your username, change your profile, add any personalization you want. And then in that Battles page, you can either join from whatever available battles are ongoing, or you can create a battle that you want, profit target, time trial, or custom. Profit target is whoever hits the profit target first wins the battle. Time trial, it's whoever has the highest profit at the end of the time window. And at the bottom, you'll see a set of rules. Basically, max drawdown is the most your account can go down. Max daily drawdowns, how far it can go down in a day. If you breach that, you're eliminated. Max risk per trade is really just to prevent the people YOLOing their accounts. And obviously session data is how far you can go forward once the battle starts. Historical data is how far you can kind of see past price. So you can kind of create a battle, and once people join, you'll be able to kind of get started. We'll join a random battle just to see what it looks like once you've kind of joined into it. So when you pop into the battle, you'll be able to see a leaderboard over to the right. If you click it into it, you can see more details, who's been eliminated, who's winning the battle based on profit overall. You can see how much time's left in the battle if it's a time-based battle. And obviously, as you take trades over time, you will move up and down the leaderboard and hopefully eventually see something like this if you're able to win some battles and maybe move up the ranks. So it's a really fun feature. I have a lot of my trading friends that have enjoyed backtesting as a way to build more confidence, have enjoyed battles as a way to build more confidence, where maybe they trust their data from their backtesting, but the battles gives them that kind of more competitive, pressured environment, so they can actually build confidence executing in that environment, and it translates a little better to success in the live market. So hope you guys have fun with battles and check it out.